Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome or welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're making a watermelon salad. Now, not only is watermelon really great for hydration, but it's also rich in vitamins A and C, making this a perfect addition to your healthy diet. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so diving right into the recipe, in a small sauce pot set over medium-high heat or 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius, we want to add in 2/3 cups worth of balsamic vinegar with 2 tablespoons of granulated white sugar, stirring these ingredients until they're well combined. You want to bring this mix to a boil and cook this until the liquid reduces and turns into more of a syrup-like consistency. This should take about 5 minutes at this heat. Make sure to scrape down the sides of the pan as it cooks. You want to allow this balsamic syrup to cool as we prepare the rest of the salad. Now, to start the dish, we're going to need 1 7 to 8 pound heavy seedless watermelon. You're going to slice that in half to expose the flesh, and then either using a sharp knife or a melon baller, you want to create small pieces of the watermelon. If you're using the melon baller, you're going to get spheres of watermelon, and then if you're using a knife, you want to chop them into cubes. You want to place these pieces of the watermelon into a large bowl. Next up, we're going to create a dressing for the watermelon itself, and for that, we're going to need the zest of 1 large lime, as well as the juice of that lime itself. So in a small bowl, we want to whisk in the lime juice, followed by 2 tablespoons worth of olive oil, the lime zest, a pinch of salt, as well as a pinch of black pepper, whisking those ingredients until well combined. For the salad, we also want to chop up about 1/4 cup's worth of fresh mint leaves, thinly sliced, 2/3 cups worth of feta cheese that we're going to cube, if not cubed already, as well as 2 Persian cucumbers, thinly sliced. So now to assemble the salad, we want to pour on the dressing over the watermelon, followed by adding in the feta cheese, the cucumber, and the thinly sliced mint. Give all these ingredients a good toss until they're well distributed. You can place a portion of the salad onto a serving plate. This recipe makes about 6 servings. And then you want to drizzle this with the cooled balsamic syrup. And now this is ready to be served immediately and enjoyed. And just like that, you've made a watermelon salad right at home. This is perfect for the summer, or honestly any time of the year. You can always substitute basil for the mint leaves for a different flavor profile. But as you can see, this is really easy to make. I hope you give this a try. And when you do try it at home, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can see your great takes on this dish. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 4, Enhancing Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make this watermelon salad, and if you did, make sure you smash that like button for me. It's one of the best ways to show support for this channel. And if you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button too, to see more recipes just like this one. And sharing is caring, so if you enjoyed this recipe and think someone else will too, feel free to share this with all your family and friends. And stay tuned for next week where I show you one of my favorite desserts to make, my lemon meringue pie. This is a pretty challenging dessert, but I'm hoping that my recipe will guide you through it each step by step. Well, thank you again so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed this recipe. You can always check out more on my page now. YouTube thinks you'll like these videos, so let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.